Use on the Ridetech TQ 3-way adjustable shocks on a Chevy OBS in 93. So there we go. It's all mounted up. These are the rears. Of course, everybody could tell it's the rears. So I put the shock in there, and I ran the reservoir hose right up here. Put a little clamp on there. Comes around and it's mounted right here on the cross member. So you could just reach under the bumper and adjust it with no problems. So both sides are the same. There's the other side, reservoir. Here's the inside look at the shock from the inside. I ran it through this opening in the cross member here to give enough hose to reach there. So you could just see the opening there. Just barely, there's the hose coming through. Put a little padding on it because it might rub there. So, and then there's the reservoir. 2 adjustments on the reservoir. Then you got one on the bottom, right there. And that's all I had to say on that. Thanks for watching.